Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp Business app on your PC. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your computer, head over to your store. If you're using Windows PC, go up to Microsoft Store. If you're on Apple device, head over to your App Store. So I'll open my Microsoft Store over here. Once you're in the store, click on the search bar at the top and search for WhatsApp Business. You will see the WhatsApp app appear in the search results. Now, you need to know that there is no any specific app as WhatsApp Business for PC. There is only one WhatsApp app for PC, and as you can see, the first number of the list is WhatsApp app, so this is the official one. You need to download this on your device. I've already downloaded this on my computer. Now I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Business with this. So first of all, open this app after you finish downloading. In order to use WhatsApp Business on your PC, first of all, you need to have WhatsApp Business app on your phone. You need to be logged into your WhatsApp Business account on your phone. There is a WhatsApp Business app for phone. You can download it and set up your account first. After that, coming back to your computer, tap on this Get Started button. Now you have to link your phone to your computer. So launch the WhatsApp Business app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your business account. You need to tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your phone screen. And after that, from the given menu, choose the option Link Device and tap on Link a Device option again. It'll open up the camera and you need to scan this QR code over here. After that, you will be logged into your WhatsApp Business account. And there you go. Now you are successfully logged into your WhatsApp Business account on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.